Hello, welcome to Clidemy. This will be a session on biomass cogeneration, especially for those keen on exploring career opportunities in climate tech. This video will provide information in two parts. The first part will give a brief introduction to biomass cogeneration, while the second part provides information related to career opportunities in biomass cogeneration. Section 1. Introduction to biomass cogeneration. Biomass cogeneration is a process that utilizes biomass, organic matter, as fuel to simultaneously generate electricity and usable heat at a power plant. Biomass fuels can include wood chips, forest residues, agricultural and dedicated energy crops. Compared to traditional power generation, cogeneration captures waste heat that would otherwise be released into the atmosphere. In biomass cogeneration, biomass fuel is prepared by grinding, chipping, or pelletizing, then burned to produce heat. This heat generates steam, which spins a turbine to create electricity. The remaining low-pressure steam transfers heat to water in a heat exchanger for industrial processes or space heating. It cuts CO2 emissions by up to 90% compared to coal and is 30 to 50% more efficient than traditional power plants. Biomass cogeneration utilizes agricultural and forestry waste, reducing landfill use and methane emissions. Biomass cogeneration capacity reached over 100 gigawatts globally in 2022, with the European Union leading, followed by North America and Asia. The market is projected to grow to USD 42.2 billion by 2027. Some industries utilizing biomass cogeneration are sugar mills, pulp and paper mills, food processing, district heating, agriculture and manufacturing. Here are a few case studies of biomass cogeneration. Arvind Mills installed a 27 megawatt biomass-fueled cogeneration plant in Gujarat, India. The plant meets the company's power, heating and cooling needs through a combined heat and power. Mondi's Richards Bay Mill in South Africa generates steam and electricity from biomass. The mill uses agricultural byproducts to fuel its cogeneration plant. Gunderson Lutheran Biomass Boiler in USA installed a biomass boiler that uses clean wood fuel sources to create steam for meeting its energy and heating requirements. Section 2. Career opportunities. Some job opportunities related to biomass cogeneration are biomass engineer, power plant engineer, sustainability consultant, environmental engineer, policy analyst. Here are some sample job descriptions of biomass engineer and power plant engineer. Here are some reasons to choose this career. An energy engineer at a biomass power plant can advance to a senior engineer role within 5 years. Leadership positions in sustainable energy projects are expanding, with 10% of new management roles in the renewable energy sector focusing on biomass initiatives. The biomass energy sector is projected to grow by 7% annually. 12% annual increase in job openings for biomass cogeneration experts. 20% increase in new patents related to biomass technologies annually. The European Union invests $2 billion annually in biomass R&D. Salaries in the biomass energy sector are typically 10% higher than in the general renewable energy sector. Prominent companies offer performance-based incentives up to 20% annual bonuses for team members. Essential skills for biomass cogeneration roles include understanding thermodynamics, combustion, power generation, biomass feedstock, gasification, plant design software, data analysis, and control systems. Some practical skills and industry knowledge are also needed. Here's a summary of what we saw. Biomass cogeneration generates carbon-neutral electricity and heat efficiently, benefiting industries like sugar mills and food processing. Job opportunities include engineering, consulting, and policy analysis, with rapid career growth and increasing leadership roles. The sector is projected to grow 7% annually, with a 12% rise in job openings. Key skills include control systems, plant design software, operation, maintenance, and regulatory knowledge. Thank you for watching. Clidemy wishes you a great career.